Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Wave Payroll records for federal filings, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Wave Payroll records for federal filings, begin by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the payroll section from the main dashboard. Select the specific payroll you want to backup. Click on the Reports tab within the payroll section. Look for the Payroll Summary Report option. Once located, click to generate this report. Make sure to set the correct date range for the records you need. After setting the date range, click on the Export button. Choose the preferred file format for your backup, such as CSV or PDF. Download the report to your computer. Next, navigate back to the payroll section. Find the employee records you wish to backup. Select each employee to view their individual payroll history. For each employee, look for the option to print or export. Select this option and save the relevant data to your computer. Once all employee records are backed up, check that all files have downloaded correctly. Organize your backup files into a designated folder for easy access. Consider labeling the files clearly to indicate the date and type of records. Finally, ensure your backups are stored securely, perhaps using cloud storage for added safety. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date records for federal filings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.